Hi, I'm Brandy Cummin, South Orange County listing agent. If you're thinking about selling your home, you might be wondering how much will I actually walk away with? The truth is, it's often less than you think. Many homeowners assume their sale price is their take home cash, but between agent commissions, closing costs, mortgage payoff, and any requested repairs, your net proceeds can look very different. For example, on $1 million home, these deductions could total $60,000, leaving around $940,000 in your pocket. And it's not just the obvious fees. Hidden costs can quietly reduce your net proceeds. HOA transfer or move out fees, staging, inspection related repairs, and escrow or recording fees all add up. Knowing these in advance lets you plan smarter and avoid surprises at closing. Now, let's talk about strategy. Here are my top 3 tips to maximize your take home cash. Tip number 1, price it right from day 1. I always tell my clients, pricing your home correctly from the start attracts the strongest offers and avoids delays. 2, make small repairs now to save big later. Even minor fixes like fresh paint or landscaping boost buyer confidence and reduce concessions. 3, plan for all fees and commissions. Knowing your cost up front ensures nothing surprises you and helps you keep more of your equity. Selling your South OC home doesn't have to be a guessing game. Understand your costs, plan ahead, and you can walk away with more of your hard-earned money. If you want to know exactly what you'd net from your home, click the link below for a free personalized estimate or DM me today. Let's make sure you sell smart and maximize your profit. Follow me here for more tips.